And welcome to today's Hardwood Hoops Season 3 matchup. First game of Week 3. Ang laban natin na Yokohama versus Hornets. So again, right now we only have one referee. Both teams did agree to start with just one referee. So jump ball is won by the Hornets. Gumila, natapik sa likod. Tan to, I think that's Edit. No good. Rebound Kobe Cruz. Cruz to Firmalo. Firmalo 14 to shoot. Labas muna kay Warren. Warren to Gumila, then download to Cruz with 8 to shoot. Cruz with a jumper and he's fouled. And the foul is on Lawrence Valencia. So Cruz to the line for 2. First free throw, pasok. Nangyari. Pasok. Second free throw, wala. Rebound Firmalo. Juarez is wait, nako pa rin Firmalo, the jumper, no good. Rebound Novio is fouled again. So second team foul na yan for Yokohama. And Gio Novio to the line for 2 shots. First free throw, wala. 8:51 left in our first quarter. 1-0 lamang ang Hornets. Missed both free throws. Rebound ng Yokohama. Here's Tan. Yokohama moving the ball around. Na-foul. Tinawag club.
Number 20, Firmalo, his first.
So Yokohama to the line for 2. First free throws good. So 1-1 tayo. Second free throw pasok. So Yokohama takes the early lead here, 2-1. 8 minutes and 34 seconds left in our first quarter. Cruz. Lumabas sa 3-point line. Gumila for 3. Malakas. Rebound Yokohama. They're pushing his hand. Tandang Lokoy, natapit. Last touch si Gumila. 8 minutes and 7 seconds. Stan. Uy, down low. Drop pass sa ilalim. Blocked by Cruz. And ball is saved by Cruz. Here come the Hornets. Cruz to Novio. Wala. Rebound Firmalo. Double team. Wala pa rin. Cruz gets it to go underneath Kobe Cruz. And Hornets up 3-2. Pass is almost stolen. Balik kay Tan to De Leon. 9 to shoot for Yokohama. Tan. So Valencia back to Tan. You need to shoot. 1 second to shoot. Ayun, naputukan ng 24. That will not count. So it's a shot clock violation for Yokohama. First 3-2 lamang Hornets. Here's Cruz. Uy, download to Firmalo. Wala. First rebound sa kanya pa rin. Underneath, no good. Gumila. Uy, pass stolen by De Leon. Here come Yokohama, 2-on-1. Tan to, uy, foul ang tinawag. There's a foul. And 2 free throws to for I think that's Edith. First free throw malakas. Edith to the line for the second free throw, pasok. So 3-all, low scoring game. 6:35 left in our first quarter. Cruz. And one, Kobe Cruz. Down low.
Basket's good.
So Cruz to the line for the 3-point play. Pasok yan. So it's 6-3 in favor of the Hornets. 6:18 left in our first quarter. Tan to Edep. Back to Tan. 12 to shoot for the Hornets, for the Yokohama. Edep na sa corner. Hindi to shoot here. Edep, tumalaksak. Wala. Rebound Permalo. Here's Juarez. To Cruz. Running the lane. Wala. Putback na. Hindi nabitawan ni Novio. Drop pass to Permalo. Underneath. No good. Rebound Yokohama. So, the Hornets could not capitalize on that fast break opportunity. This Edep. To Tan.
10 seconds to shoot.
10 to shoot. To De Leon. De Leon back to Valencia. To Edep for 3. Wala. Tan gets the rebound. Wala ang tira niya. Juarez tumatakbo. To Novio. To Gumila. Basket's good. Joshua Gumila. And
5.
we're now 8-3 at our mandatory substitution point of the first quarter. 5-4 ang 5:04 left in our first quarter. So change 5 for both teams. So bola ng Yokohama. They're down by 5 points. 5 minutes left in our first quarter. Here's Castillo. Castillo. Oop! Ball is stolen by Hubahib. Here come the Hornets. Valencia. All the way for 2.
Official score.
So it's 10-7. 7-point lead now for the Hornets. Lance Valencia with that basket. It's Ramos. To Castillo. Castillo sa malaksak. Nilabas. And a 3-second violation called on Yokohama. So still a 7-point lead here for the Hornets. Abangan to Hubahib. Down low to Valencia. Underneath. Uy, nabitawan ni Fernandez yung bola. So the ball will go back to Yokohama. Under 4 minutes left in our first quarter. 10-3 ang ating score. Dito lamang ng Hornets. Uy! Pass is stolen. Uy! Alley-oop. Nice pass break there. Bautista to Jeff Abangan. Scores 12-3. 9-point lead. Biggest lead of the game for the Hornets. Another bad pass. Stolen by Abangan. Here comes Hornets. Hubahib to Valencia. Nice fake. Uy, wala. Kanya pa rin ang bola. And it's fouled down low by Castillo.
Timeout, Yokohama.
And Yokohama sues for time. They're down by 9 points. 3:18 left in the first quarter.
It's first. holding.
Okay, back to the ball game. It's 12-3 with Lance Valencia going to the line for 2 free throws. Valencia first free throw pasok. It's 13-3. Double-digit lead na lang Hornets. Si Lance. Intes ang pangalawang free throw ni Lance. Castillo running the court all the way. Wala. Ball is almost lost pero bola pa rin ng Yokohama. Ramos with that familiar floater. 13-5. 3 minutes left in our first quarter. Valencia underneath. Lance Valencia gets it to go. 15-5.
Score 15-5. Number 2 for Hornets.
Braganza
10 seconds to shoot.
to Ramos with 7 to shoot.
5
Cross
seconds
court
to shoot.
pass. Castillo for 3. In and out and back in again. Bonel Castillo. Nabasa pa ito lamang ng Hornets. 15-8. Fernandez sa ilalim. Uy, what a shot! Elvin Fernandez. 17-8. Yokohama trying to set things up. Castillo.
10 to shoot.
6. Hindi kumagat. Yabangan. Sorry, si Fernandez. Magsino. To Braganza. Braganza with the runner. No. Rebound Fernandez. Fernandez pushing. Fernandez is fouled by Castillo.
Foul number
Blocking
17,
foul.
his second.
So Hornets ball. 1 minute and 28 seconds left in our first quarter.
10 seconds to shoot.
Tamang lamang nila. Uy, nice drop pass sa ilalim. Nice pass. Valencia to Abangan. And it's now a 19-8 lead for the Hornets. Castillo to Ramos. Cross-court pass is Magsino. 7 to shoot. Oy, at may foul na tinawag sa loob. Foul sa na Fernandez.
Foul number 20, his first.
Inbound pass, almost stolen. Pero naka-Yokohama pa rin. Ramos double teamed. Ramos passes it. Pero malakas yung pasa and it's a turnover. 43.5 seconds left in our first quarter. It's a 11-point lead for the Hornets. Uy, mantik pa yun. Bautista. Libre. Ganap ng mapapasahan. Ubahi back to Bautista. Uy, nice passing by the Hornets. Another nice play there. Ubahi gets the basket to go. 21-8. As we wind down, 20 seconds left in the first quarter.
In favor of Hornets.
Castillo. Reverse. No good. Rebound. Abangan to Bautista. 5 to shoot. Ayun si Lance Valencia. Gets it to go, and that is the end of our first quarter. The Hornets in command early. 15 points ang kanilang lamang. 23-8. Ito yung mic ko.
Okay naman tayo dyan, referee Edwin. Start na natin yung second quarter.
Okay, so now start the second quarter. Hornets are up by 15. So we have a technical free throw here dahil may player ng Hornets na maglalaro ng walang jersey. So, someone from Yokohama will shoot the technical free throw.
Thank you.
Pasok ko yung free throw. So, 23-9 after that technical free throw, and we will resume gameplay. So, 14 points ang lamang ngayon ng Hornets. Kasi Yokohama will make a run here. Tan to Valencia. Sa ilalim, Valencia fakes to Magsino. Magsususit in another 3 seconds. 3 seconds na tinawag ni referee. So the Hornets will get back possession. 14 lamang nila, 23-9. Pantalya with a shot in the paint makes it 25-9. Hornets. Stand guarded by Alonzo. Sa ilalim, basket's good for Durek Edep. 25-11. Hornets still in control. 8 minutes 55 left in our second quarter. Pantalya for 3, wala. Rebound, Firmalo. Firmalo with a soft jumper for Jay Firmalo, 27-11. So, 16 ang lamang ng Hornets ulit. Here's Tan. Tan for 3. Short. And bola mapupunta yun sa Hornets. It's a team rebound. So, Alonzo now with the ball. Alonzo. Firmalo with the screen. Alonzo with the jumper off the glass. No good. Rebound Yokohama. Here's Tan. Tan to Edep. Edep and one. Durek Edep.
That's good.
So Edep with that 3-point play opportunity here.
Number 1, his first.
Mahabol sila. They are down by 14 points. Free throw is no good. Rebound Pantalya. Pantalya. Give and go to... Oy, binalik ni Firmalo sa turnover. Edep. Edep underneath up and traveling. Naharangan pa doon ni Firmalo. So turnover yan for Yokohama. Santos. To Pantalya. Swings it to... it's a missed 3-pointer from Melendez. So Yokohama gets the rebound. 7 minutes and 8 seconds left in the second quarter. Edep to, nice pass. Malakas lang yung tira. Here's Santos with the rebound. Pero pass is telegraph. Edep gets it. Stan. Tan with a long 2. Pasok. 2 points for Victor Tan. So down to a 12-point lead for the Hornets, 27-15. Alonzo, Firmalo, to see if he doesn't use the screen. Santos for 3, short. Firmalo, and a foul underneath. Foul is on Lawrence Valencia. So play resumes. Sa ilalim si Santos. Santos will lalabas niya ang bola muna. Daming tao na sa loob. Pantalya. Basket's good for Paul Pantalya. Lead is 29-15. Hornets pa rin lamang. Edep. Edep with the jumper. Wala. Rebound Pantalya. Pantalya. Forward pass to Alonso. 3 on 2. Alonso! Uy! Walang foul doon. Nice defensive play lang for Edep. 10 to shoot. Pantalla for 3. It's good! Paul Pantalla gets it to go. And back to a 17-point lead para sa Hornets. 5 and 18 left in our first half. Tan to Edep. Nice passing there that time by Yokohama. The basket's good and change 5 na tayo. We're at that mandatory substitution mark of the second quarter. It's 32 to 17 lamang ang Hornets. 5:07 left.
Sa akin, tawagan sir eh. Hindi ko makasagot.
Okay, back to the ball game as we resume. Both teams have changed their lineups. 17 to 32 lamang ang Hornets. Here's Cruz. Cruz down low to, ay nabitaw ni Valencia sa turnover. Here's Darwan. Darwan, babalik muna kay Ramos. Cross-court pass. 10 to shoot for Yokohama. Darwan. Malaksak. Pasa sa loob. Stolen by Novio. Gio, oy. Yung pasa naman niya ang nanakaw. Uy, no good there for Kalibuyot. And the Hornets regain possession. Cruz going to his left. That pass to Lance Valencia again. 2 points for Lance Valencia. Scores 34 to 17. 3 and 52.
Chance to shoot.
Pass stolen. Pass break ng Hornets. Gumila. 2 points. 36 to 17. 19-point lead again for the Hornets. Magsino, gave up the dribble too soon. It's Ramos. Uy! Wala yun. Referee denies it. Good. Castillo to Darwan for 3. Short. That is short. Cruz with the rebound. Cruz to Valencia. I think the pass was too strong for him to handle. So 3 minutes, under 3 minutes na ngayon sa ating second quarter. Hornets showing their domination early with their pass break baskets. Ramos against Cruz. Ramos is fouled by Cruz. In the first half, 40 to 20 ang score natin. Hornets still in command in our first half. $18 seconds left. 3-pointer, wala. Rebound Valencia. Forward pass to Gumila. And the basket for Joshua Gumila. 42 to 20. 4 seconds left. And may 0.6 pang natitira. And that will be it for our first half. So, ang score natin is 42 to 20. The Hornets up by 22 points. Okay, so start of the third quarter, the score is 42-20. Lamang ang Hornets. And the turnover starts our so Tan for 3, wala. Rebound Abangan. Abangan to corner shot for Alonzo for 3, wala. Rebound by Edep.
Particular sponsor Gino.
The same pa din yan, 2042, Yokohama, 2042. Hindi naman kailangan pagpalitin yung score niyan. Okay. Okay, rebound by Abangan. Oy, bad pass. Back to Abangan, 13 to shoot, Talia for 3, malakas. Rebound to Bahib, wala. Yokohama with the rebound. Edep nilabas, stolen by Abangan. Hornets on a 4-on-2. Abangan nabitawan yung bola. Balik sa Yokohama ang bola. Edep to, Edep gets it to go. Nahulog, nadulas si Bahib. So it's 42-22. 8:08 left in the third quarter tayo. Bahib, wala.
Basket timeout.
Then Castillo hits the 3 and timeout is called by the Hornets. Okay, so back to the ball game. Scores 42-25. Favor of the Hornets. The Hornets. Ramos, wala. Rebound Pantalla. And another fast break basket there for the Hornets. 44-25. Tanto Ramos with the jumper, wala. Fernandez to Alonzo to Pantalla. Hornets run the fast break again. Hornets back with the ball. Hubahib to Abangan underneath and one for the Abangan.
Number 10 is second. Institution. Yung mga nagsasampo, pakilapat naman sa community board. Salamat po.
So some substitutions coming in for both teams. So a 3-point play for Abangan. 49-25 now is the score. 24-point lead na to, pero binawi ni Castillo for 3. Down to 49-28. Layup is good for Fernandez. 51-28. Hornets are dominating another opponent here. Ito si Castillo, wala. Rebound Alonzo. Here's Fernandez. Ubahib. Abangan for 3. Short. Nakuha ng Yokohama bola. Ramos. Tan for 3. Wala. Here's Pantalla pushing to Alonzo. Pantalla. Ilabas muna. So, abangan to Hernandez. Oy, misses the layup. Sayang yun. So, Yokohama try to capitalize off of that miss. Here's Tan to Ramos to Castillo. Castillo 10 to shoot. Guarded by Abangan. Castillo pa din. Ayun, by foul. And substitutions coming in for both teams. Platoon swap for the Hornets. So inbounded ng Yokohama. Here's Edep to that's Wen Eboy, number 77.
Second.
Darwan.
10 seconds to shoot.
Darwan to Edep. Edep to Evoy. Evoy, kanya pa rin ang bola. Oh, that's a traveling violation. And at the same time, nag-expire na yung shot clock nila. Here's Santos. Santos forward pass. Nilabas ulit. Brumila for 3. Short. Rebound Edep. Edep forward pass to Darwan. Darwan with the fall away. Oh, short. Rebound by Valencia. Valencia. Oh, pass is stolen. Again, right now we just have one referee. Kaya commend referee Edwin Molina doing a good job. Kahit mag-isa lang siya. Santos with a jumper. Makes it 51-30. Three minutes and 3 seconds left in our third quarter. Darwan with a 4 to shoot. No, mapuputo ka na naman tong Yokohama. Ayun, Tomres. Counter field goal, wala. Magsino with the rebound and basket good for Magsino. 51-32. Santos to Firmalo. Underneath. Oh, he dribbled it. Fouled and hindi nga lang pumasok. Okay. Two free throws for Firmalo. First free throw is good. And pinipis ang pangalawang free throw. Ihulog si Santos doon. The correct score is 54-30. Ayan.
Score 54-30.
Darwan is blocked by Firmalo. Ito si Santos, tumatakbo. Santos, uy, behind the back to Valencia. Wala. Rebound by Yokohama. Here's Magsino. Magsino. Outside to Darwan. Back to Magsino. 13 to shoot for Yokohama. Darwan. Darwan. And may foul at nawag. On number 28. And some subs coming in. Cruz and Novillo coming in for the Hornets. So two sideline out of bounds for the Yokohama. Kalibuyat in the game. Ball goes to the Hornets. 1 minute and 39 seconds left in the third quarter. 54-30. Sila pa rin ang lamang. Cruz with the jumper. Pasok. Kobe Cruz makes it 56-30. 1 minute and 25 left in the third. Pass break to Novillo. Another pass break basket for the Hornets. Yeah, Yokohama only 4 players in the court. Where's the 5th player? Good yan. Pwedeng kulang, basta wag lang sobra. 10 to shoot. And the foul sa ilalim. They got bailed out there with the foul. So pag ganun, pwedeng kulang, basta wag lang sobra sa court. So Yokohama inbound rin. Si Evoy drives in the lane. Wala. Gets his own miss. Evoy again. Short. Rebound. Cruz. Cruz to Novillo. Oh, blocked by Hedep. Nice defensive play there by Durek Hedep. Ito, makakapass break na rin ng Yokohama. Darwan. Uy, nako. Another block by Novillo. Gian Novillo. Bumawi siya doon. Runner by Gumila. What a sequence of plays for the Hornets. Gian Novillo with a back-to-back defensive plays, leading to a Gumila basket. With 2 seconds to go, Evoy wala. And the end of the third quarter, the Hornets up by 30 points. Doble to, 60-30. Okay, back to the game. We're about to start our fourth quarter. Hornets have been in command after trailing early. We're about to start our fourth quarter. Castillo. Pumaposte si hindi siya nakita. Here's Edep. Edep with the jumper. It's good for Durek Edep off the glass. 60-32. Cruz down the lane, no good for Yokohama. Castillo with the Euro, 1-on-3. Yun, nakahuli siya doon ni Firmalo. Here come the Hornets. Oh, and a bad pass that time. And Castillo will try to get it to go this time. Gets it to go. 60-34. 9 minutes and then 9 seconds left in our fourth quarter. Permalo to Hubahib. Hubahib to Nobio. Nobio for 3. Wala. Rebound. That's Lars Valencia ba yun? Castillo. Oy, cross-court pass. Wala yun. Out of bounds. Bola balik sa Hornets. 8 and 42 left in the ball game. Cruz. Oy, bad pass there off the foot of Permalo. And the Hornets will call a timeout. 60-34, 8 and 24 left in the ball game. Okay, back to the ball game. It's 60-34 in favor of the Hornets. Again, total domination by the Hornets after trailing very early in the game. Mintis ang tira ng Yokohama. Cruz to Valencia. It's good. Lance Valencia makes it 62-34, 8 and 2 seconds left in the fourth. Castillo babawi. Wala. Rebound, Permalo. Edep goes down there. Nobio to Hubahib. Boy, malakas. But he gets the basket to go Gio Nobio with the putback. Balik sa 30 ang lamang ng Hornets. 64-34. Castillo. Nice fake. Dalawa sumabay and he draws a foul on Hubahib. 7 minutes and 21 seconds. Inbounds ang Yokohama sa kanilang baseline. Castillo for 3. Wala. Rebound Valencia to Kobe Cruz. Cruz to Nobio. Nobio fake. Down low to Hubahib and is fouled. And may substitution na papasok for Yokohama, si Magsino. So 2 shots for Alan Hubahib. First free throw wala. Second free throw wala pa rin. And ball will go to Yokohama.
Substitution.
Seven minutes to go in the ball game. 30 lamang ng Hornets. Edep to tres. In and out. Rebound Permalo. Cruz. To Permalo. To Hubahib. Hubahib down low. No good. Kobe with an offensive rebound. Kobe Cruz makes it a 32-point lead for the Hornets. And bad pass turnover. Ayan, dumating na yung isa nating referee. So, dalawa na sila ngayon. Hubahib. Hounded there. Nobio to Cruz. Turn to shoot for Cruz. Labas kay Nobio. Back to Hubahib. Hubahib down low to Permalo. What a pass by Hubahib. That makes it 68-34. 5 and 47 left in the ball game. Ramos. Uy, for cross-court pass to Magsino. 9 to shoot. Edep. Back to Magsino.
5 seconds to shoot.
5 to shoot for Yokohama. Magsino fall away. Short. Rebound Kobe. Cruz. Here's on Nobio, and try to use some clock here. Nobio. Pinalik kay Hubahib. With 10 to shoot. Valencia with the jumper. No lakas. Hubahib. Basket good for Michael Hubahib. 70 to 34. And they'll foul to get the subs in. So platoon swap for the Hornets, and that I think they will finish with this lineup. Bautista, Juarez, Pantalla, Abangan, and Fernandez. 5 minutes left in the ball game. Edep, lumalaban pa din, di pumasok. Here's Pantalla to Bautista. Bautista, uy, may nahulog doon. And an offensive foul on Abangan. Offensive foul on Abangan. Ramos. Oy, lab pass. Nakuha ni Fernandez. Ito, hindi nakatingin sa likod. Turnover. And Yokohama with some substitutions coming in. Ramos. Oy, cross-court pass. Turnover. $70-34 ang score natin. Juarez to Bautista. No good. Rebound. Uy. Mantik na yun. Here's Edep. Edep is fouled by Bautista.
Number 6 is first.
So 2 free throws here for Doric Edep. Two out of 2 for Edep. Score 70-36. 3 minutes and 47 left in the ball game. Fernandez to Abangan. Long 2. Wala. Yokohama with the rebound. Ramos. Oy. Sayang. Bola ng Hornets. Oy, what a pass there by Pantalla. Juarez pulls up. Short. And bola ng Yokohama. Shot by Kalibuyat is no good. Juarez for 3, wala. Kapek, Fernandez. Fernandez with the pick, wala. Pantalla saves it to Bautista. Bautista is fouled. Ayun.
Number 10 is third. Yung nagsasampo, malapit lang po sa Olympic table. Yung nagsasampo, malapit lang po sa Olympic table.
So Bautista for 2 shots. First is good.
Papunta niyo po rin sa harap. Sige sir, okay na sir. Okay na. Next time sir. Next time sir.
Bautista second free throw is on air ball, so violation yun.
Ay, sir.
Sub Gumila. Okay, may mga sub. So some more subs coming in for Hornets. Ramos from 3. Wala. Rebound Santos. Juarez with the jumper. Short. Ramos with the rebound. It's Ivoy. Or Evoy. Still Yokohama ball. De Leon. Against Santos. Oy, na-trap siya doon. To Castillo. 10 to shoot. Castillo for 3. Short. At bola, same ball, sabi ni referee Ricky. At magla-last 2 minutes na tayo. Pass is stolen. It's sorry miss there for Alonzo. Under the last 2 minutes. Sa last 2 minutes na tayo. 70 to 36. Castillo. Wrap pass to and a foul. So Kalibuyot to the line for 2. First free throw pasok. Second free throw pasok. 70 to 37. 1 minute and 44 seconds. Titira Alonzo, stolen. De Leon to Ramos. Ramos with a jumper. 70-39. Santos libre, he doesn't shoot. Pinapaposte siya doon pero pinasa kay Juarez, down low to Fernandez, 2 to sit. Good pa din daw yan. 3-pointer for Gumila, no good. Rebound Ramos. Ramos with the jumper, wala. Tatlo sila nag-abahan doon. Tatlo sila nag-abahan, pero buti na save ni Santos. 56 seconds left in the ball game. Gumila with the jumper. $44 seconds left in the ball game. So the Hornets will remain undefeated in season 3. This will be their third win in as many outings. Alonso underneath, pasok. Adds to the score, 74-39. 25 seconds left in the ball game. Kalibuyot for 3. Short. Rebound Evoy. He's fouled. So, fouls on Fernandez. 15.9 left. So, final score na lang ang hinihintay natin. First free throw is no good. Second free throw is no good. Rebound Ramos. Ramos for 3. Short. Santos with a rebound. And yan, pinorward pass pa. Yung pass to Fernandez. 4.5 seconds. And the Hornets will walk away from this one as winners. Final score 74-39.
Oh, 74. So 39.